Hello, speechers, and welcome to your storytelling time. Are you ready for the second part of Family Garcia or Garcia family? Let's do this. So remember, the family is together: mom, dad, and two children. After breakfast, the family says goodbye and dad goes to work. He drives his car. He takes the highway to avoid traffic. Mom stays home and she does the household chores like sweeping, mopping, cleaning the house, doing the dishes, and doing the laundry. In the afternoon, Sofia and Mateo return home by bus and do their homework. Mom helps them with their homework and prepares dinner for all the family. So you see, speechers, this is the second part of the day. First part of the day, the morning. Second part of the day, in the afternoon. And all the family does activities together. Mommy does house chores. What are house chores? Sweeping, mopping, cleaning, doing the dishes, doing the laundry. Those are house chores. Now, how dad goes to work? By car. How the children go to school? By bus. Transportation? By car, by bus. Are you ready to tell the second part of your daily routine? Excellent. Don't forget, click follow in Instagram, TikTok, and comment here. See you soon. Bye-bye.